Okay, let's get another flight on our Arrows Pioneer Micro Brushless Bush Plane Sub 250 grams. Let's find out where the wind is. There it is. Alright, I've got it in stabilization mode to launch. But it's pretty windy and pretty gusty out. Okay, now I've got it in wind mitigation mode. Got one of my old 2-cell batteries in it, so not a lot of power with that LiPo, unfortunately. It's better going into the wind. Watch the scrub. That is one sweet little plane. Oh, nice stall turns too. Let's see, can we do a split S? Oh, sure we can. That was sweet. It's pretty fast going downwind. Ooh, there's some wind. Oh, I was going to catch myself there for a minute. Oh, that does nice stall turns, doesn't it? Sweet. It's got a nice, effective rudder on it, like a bush plane should have. Awesome. Oh, we got company coming. Company's coming. All right, we'll keep it this side of the road for now until he makes it through here. All right, we are free and clear to navigate once again. Whee! Oh, yeah. Think I'm having fun with this plane? Eh. Oh, look at that. Oh, I'm starting to get my haptic now. That's not bad for an old, really old 2S LiPo. on this little plane. Oh, another stall turn. That does stall turns almost as good as my 3D plane. Isn't that cool? Eh. Look at that. It just pivots right there. Straight up and down. Awesome. Awesome little micro bush plane. Okay. Links to it will be in the show notes. I guess we're going to have to come across the road and land because that's where the wind is. Alright. We'll make our turn in here before this guy comes back. I want him to roll into my plane. Alright, let's see. We got enough gas? Oh, we're going to have to go around. Yeah, we'll risk it. We'll come down the road. We'll see if we can land it coming down the road. Can we do that? Maybe not. Oh! We crashed it right at the end. Oh no. We can't stand for that. Let's put it back in the air again. See if we get a decent landing with it. It's still in wind mitigation mode. It's a little squirrely in wind mitigation mode, I have to say, but that's part of the fun. No. Oh man, I think I'm completely out of juice now. Alright, let's go get it. I don't know, maybe I could just throw it. Maybe I could just glide it and get a decent landing out of it. I don't know, maybe if I'm pointed directly down the road. What do you think? It's got enough juice left in it? It's a pretty old 2S LiPo. I don't know. Let's see. The scrub. Did you hear that? Sounds like Velcro pulling it out of that darn scrub, doesn't it? That is no good for your plane, I'll tell you. Now I'm going to have a bunch of thorns to pull out of it. Alright. Alright, we're going to go straight down the lane here and see if we can land it. Alright, here we go. Wow, that is some wind. Yep, it's some wind, alright. Alright, come on back here. Ooh, that's some wind. Holy cow. Alright, I put it in stabilization mode. Maybe that'll do a little bit better than the wind mitigation mode, because wind mitigation mode is just as squirrely as all get out. Hey, we did it! It stayed on its feet. I call it good. Alright. I had to have a little help from the gyro there, though. That wind was throwing it all over the place. Even in wind mitigation mode. It's not much of a wind mitigation mode if it doesn't mitigate the wind, right? Oh well, alright. That's a lot of fun, guys, even in some wind. Makes it interesting. Trying to keep it from flipping over. Alright, so I better not set it down. The wind will blow it off the table. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the air.